Hi, here we will discuss about 0/1 knapsack problem using dynamic programming. In dynamic programming, we have to construct the table to calculate the sequence of decisions. The sequence of decisions can be calculated by using iterative method or recursive method. Here I am going to using iteration method. And the third one is we have to find out the values for each and every cell of the table by using dynamic programming. Then apply the bottom up approach to find out the solution, right? So here, for given knapsack problem, we are taking the passenger who is taking so many items for his traveling purpose. So here the items profit value is mentioned with the notation P of the ith item profit or price value of that item. So item is represented with serial number, index number I, and all the weights and profits should be positive numbers. We cannot give a negative number as a weight and profit. The passenger wants to select a subset of items of given n number of items for his travel. The total weight of that subset of items should not exceed the capacity of that given travel bag. The travel bag is assumed as a knapsack here. And another constraint is here we cannot select a fraction of item. That means either we have to select the entire item, or we cannot select the entire items. 0/1, 0 means not selected that item, so 1 means selecting that item. For example, if you want to take the cell phone is selected for his travel. And if he wants to take the kettle for boiling the boiled water, so it is not selected. So like that, products is selected or not selected. The profit value of that subset is sum of the profits of that selected item. Okay, this is the optimization function. And the criteria is here the profit or price value of the selected subset of item should be maximum. Profit should be maximum, which is given by the selected items. So based upon that, here the problem is given for the four number of items are given for his selection. So its corresponding weight is given 1 unit of weight, and price values or profit value is 1. And fourth item is having the weight 5 units, and the profit value 7. The total capacity of that bag is here 7 units. So as per the DP, we have to construct the table. So for the table, we need number of columns and rows. The number of columns will be total capacity of the knapsack plus one more column we have to select. So based upon that, 8 columns. The columns are numbered from 0 to 7. So 8 columns we have selected based upon this total capacity plus 1. And number of rows will be selected based upon the number of items given in the problem. So 4 items, 4 number of rows numbered with 0th row, first row, second row, third row. So 4 number of rows. And here the first column is mentioned with the profit value of each item. The first item in the 0th row having the profit value and its corresponding weight in the next column mentioned with 1 unit, and 4 units of profit with 3 units of weight, 5 units of profit of the third item, and weight is 4 units, and 7 units of profit and weight is 5 units. So based upon that, we constructed the table now. And here the each column represents the maximum weight of this column can have when you are selecting the item. So this column can have only 0 units of weight maximum. This column can have 1 unit of maximum weight. This column can have 2 units of maximum weight. Like that, this column can have maximum 7 units of weights in its column. Right. So for example, the first item we have to select in the 0th column and 0th row. Here we are using the iterative method, so I comma j, right? So ith row and jth column. Here we are selecting the item in the 0th row and 0th column. So maximum capacity of the 0th column is 0. So here 0 is the maximum weight right capacity maximum capacity of the knapsack, and the first item if you are selecting, the weight of that item is 1, so 1 unit you can keep inside the bag. So 1 unit less than, here the 0 is the maximum, so it is false, you cannot. So here as per the criteria, this cell, this column cannot have any item into the bag, so maximum capacity is 0, that means bag should be empty at this context, so we cannot add the 1 unit of weight into the bag, so that means we cannot select the item in this cell, so that means we cannot select. 0 means cannot select, 1 means can select. Okay, so now we didn't select the item. If you are not selected the item, the profit is also 0 here, so the profit has to be entered in the cell. If you are not selecting the item, 0. If you are selecting this item, the profit will be 1. Right, now we are moving to the next column. Right, next column also, here we have maximum weight is here 1, the weight of that current item is also here 1, so 1 less than or equal to 1, so here also less than or equal to, right, 1 less than or equal to 1, that is the capacity, maximum capacity of the knapsack in this cell. Okay, so that is true, so true means we can select the item in this context, this item can be selected. If you select the item, what is the profit of this item? So profit of that item is 1, so profit has to be entered in this cell. So the maximum weight of the column is 1, and weight of that first product is 1, so 1 less than or equal to 1. Yes, we can add that 1 unit of weight into the capacity, weight is 1, so we can add that 1 unit of weight. So when you are selecting that 1 unit of weight, the profit is also 1. Like that, now we are moving to the second column, maximum weight is 2, so 2 is the maximum weight. The when you are selecting this item here, the item's weight is here 1, so 1 less than or equal to 2, so it is true. If it is true, you can select the item. So here when you are selecting the item, the profit value is 1. Okay, so like that, here we are going to apply to the all the cells. Okay, so here the third one is also we are having the value here, the maximum weight of this product, first product is 1, and maximum capacity is here 3, this cell. Okay, so it is true, so you can select this item 1, so when you are selecting the item, so you are getting the profit 1, so it is 1. So like that, when you are selecting the fourth column, maximum weight, so 1 less than or equal to 4, it is true, so you can select, and profit is here 1. Like that, 1 item weight is 1, maximum capacity of the cell is 5, so it is also possible to select. If you select this item, the profit value is here 1. Like that, here when you are selecting the cell number 6, the maximum capacity is 6, the product weight is 1, so it is true, you can select, profit value is 1. And here also the profit value is 1, you can select this. Like that, first row is over, now I is incremented, so second row. Okay, first row, this one. Okay, this one will come into the picture. Again, you see here the maximum weight of this column is 0. Okay, but weight of that second product is 3, so 3 less than or equal to 0 less than or equal to 3, it is false. If it is false, we cannot select this second item in this column. If it is not able to selected, already we have the value here. Okay, that value has to be written here. Okay, the profit which is selected from the previous row has to be written here. So like that, you are moving to the next column here. Okay, so next column, this one, so maximum weight of the um, column is here 1, the second items weight is 3, so now you can select or not. So 3 units less than or equal to 1, we cannot select the item. So if you are unable to select the item, then the previous row already you selected the earned the profit in this previous product, so that should be written here, so 1 is written. Then you are moving to the next column here, right? So here 3. Okay, here 3 is there. Now 3 is the our products weight and less than or equal to the maximum capacity of this column. So now 3 less than or equal to 3, so it is able to select. So when you are selecting this item, you are earning the profit is 4, so 4 has to be written here. So that's what here you look at that we have to calculate this. Okay, we have to calculate this by applying the formula profit of the current item plus previous row. Table T means table of I minus 1 previous row, then W minus W of I. Okay, W is maximum capacity of this column 3 minus the profit of this, I mean weight of this current item is 3. Okay, that's what written here. Okay, so previous row is here, current row, right? I is current row, previous row we are representing the value I minus 1, right? Then here also T of I minus 1, I is current row, 1 minus 1 W maximum capacity of this column 3. So based upon that, when you are substituting the value here 0, here 0, the here we will get T of 0 comma 3. Okay, for this T of 0 comma 3 is 0th row third column, 0th row third column is 1. So that's what we have written here. Then profit of this first row is here 4, that is written here. T of 0 comma 0, that is here 0. So we are substituting the values, we are getting maximum of 4 comma 1. Why we are using the maximum? Because we want to maximize the profit, right? Maximize the profit. So here we got 4, so that's what we are writing here. Okay, so based upon that, now we are moving to the next column by incrementing the J. So here maximum capacity is 4, the items weight is 3, so 3 less than or equal to 4, yes, it can be selected. When you are selecting that, now you have to apply that formula, right? Maximum of profit of I plus T of I minus 1, that means current row minus 1, then maximum weight of that column is here 4, right? It is given, and minus W of I, the ith product weight, so that is 3, comma T of I is here 1 minus 1, then maximum weight of this column is 4. So when you're substituting the values, you will get 4 is the current profit, I mean current product's profit, and T of 0 comma 1, right? This 0, this 1, and here T of 0 comma 4, T of 0 comma 4 is here the previous row fourth one. Okay, this one, so that is 1. So when you're applying this, maximum of the value is here 5, so 5 has to be written here. So now we are incrementing the J plus plus. Right now here we have to select the fifth column, maximum weight is 5, right? Then weight of this current product is 3, so it is possible to select the item in this column. So when you are selecting that, so what we have to do, apply the formula. When you are applying that, you will get the value 5. Okay, so you have to write the 5 here, right? So like that, when you are selecting, when you are checking another sixth column, here also maximum capacity is 6 and product's weight is 3. Okay, it is possible to select. When you are applying the formula, again you will get the value 5, so you have to write that. Then seventh column, here 3 less than or equal to 7, it is possible to select the item. So here also when you are applying the formula, you will get the 5. Okay, so based upon that, we filled the second row. Now going to the next one, I is incremented. Now coming to this third row, that is we are mentioning with index 2. Okay, row index is here 2. The again maximum weight of this column is 0, so 0 here. Now the weight of that current product is 4, it is not possible to select, so we have to write the value of the previous row 0 to here. Okay, we have written. Then here maximum weight of this column is 1 and weight of this current product is 4, it is not possible to select, so 1 has to be written here. Then like that, here maximum weight of this column is 2, here weight of this product is 4, so we cannot select here. If it is not able to select, so we have to write the above cell profit, previous row profit into here, so we have to write this. So like that, here this column also we cannot accommodate the weight 4 less than or equal to 3, which is false, so we cannot select this item, so we have to write the previous row profit here in this column. Okay, so like that, next one is here 4 less than or equal to 4. Okay, 4 less than or equal to 4. So now it is possible to select, okay, in this cell, right? So if it is true, now we have to apply the formula profit of the ith row, right? Then plus t of I minus 1 w minus w is the maximum weight of this cell, and minus ith product's weight 4, and t of I minus 1, and w is maximum weight of this column, right? So profit of the current value, current row is 5, and here the 2 is the current row value, right? So 2 minus here 1, right? So that is the value we have to get it, and w here actually 1. Okay, so 2 minus 1 is 2 minus 1 is here 1. W of w minus I, 4 minus 4, okay, 0. And here t of I minus 1 comma 2, so I minus 1 is 2 minus 1, 1. Maximum capacity is 4. Okay, so 1 comma 4, so 1 comma 4 is this one, and this column, okay, 5. So that is written here. So t of 1 comma 0 is here 1 comma 0, 1 comma 0 is here 0. Okay, so that's what we are writing here. Okay, so profit value is here 5, so 5 plus 0 comma 5, so 5 comma 5 maximum value is here 5. We have written, we filled this column. Now we are moving to the next column. Here maximum weight is 5, here products weight is here 4. Okay, yes, it is possible to select, apply the formula. When you are applying the formula, you will get the value here 6 comma 5, then you will get 6 is the value here. Okay, then again you have to select, check the next column. 6 is the maximum capacity, but weight of the product is 4. Yes, it is possible to select. When it is possible to select, apply the formula. Here profit of the current item, profit of the current item is 4, 5. Okay, that is right, written here. Then t of I minus 1, I is here 2, so 2 minus 1 is 1, and here maximum weight of this column is 6, so 6 minus current products weight is here 4, 6 minus 4 is 2. Okay, right? Then t of I minus 1, 2 minus 1 is 1 comma maximum weight is here 6, t of 1 comma 6 value is here 5. That's what written here. Then maximum of 5 plus 1, right, the its value 1 comma t of 1 comma 2, t of 1 comma 2 is 1, right? So those values are written here. Maximum of 6 comma 5 is 6, so 6 has to be filled here. So that's what we have done here. Then you check the next column. Next column, here maximum capacity is 7, and current products weight is here 4. So it is true. If it is true, we can select the item. If it is selecting the item, you apply the formula here. Profit of ith product is here 5, which is written, and t of I minus 1, 2 minus 1, right, comma here maximum capacity is here 7, minus ith product's weight is here 4, 7 minus 4 is here 3, so 1 comma 3. Then like that, here 2 minus 1 is 1, w maximum weight is here 7, so t of 1 comma 7, 1 comma 7 is here 5, so 5. And now we are calculating the maximum of these values is 9, so 9 has to be filled here, so 9 is filled. Then I is incrementing by 1, that is the third index of the row. So now again we have to check the maximum weight of this column is 0, but weight of this product is 5, so 5 less than or equal to 0, it is false. So we are writing that above value into the current cell, because it is the earned profit from the previous item selections. Okay, now moving to the next column, maximum weight is 1, but products weight is 5, so it is also not possible to select. So already earned profit is 1 until selection of these 3 items based upon this column, so that earned profit has to be written here, right? Like that, here next one is maximum profit, maximum weight is here 2. Here also you are checking the current items weight is 5, unable to select, so we are writing the already earned profit of this 3 items into this current cell. Then we are checking the next one also. Here 5 less than or equal to 3, right? So it is also false, so we are writing the already earned profit into the current cell. Likewise here 5 less than or equal to 4, which is also not possible to select. Here already earned profit of the previous 3 items is 5 in the current column, so we are writing the same thing here, 5. Okay, then here 5 less than or equal to 5, so which is true. If it is true, we can select the item. If you select the item, apply the formula. Profit of the current item is here 7, which is written, then t of I minus 1, so here 3 minus 1 is 2, then w is here 5, so 5 minus current product weight is 5, so 5 minus 5 is 0, then here 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 comma maximum profit of the maximum weight of this current column is 5, 2 comma 5, so 2 comma 5 is here 6, so that is written here. Then based upon that, when you are applying the value 7, 2 comma 0, okay, so 2 comma 0, sorry, this one 2 comma 0 is this one, that is what this 0. So when you are applying the arithmetic calculation and the maximum value is here 7, so 7 has to be written here, that is written. Okay, then when you are going to next column, maximum weight is 6, current products weight is here 5, so it can be selected. Then apply that formula. When you are applying that formula here, current products profit is 7, then here current row is 3 minus 1 2, w is here maximum value is 6, 6 minus current products weight is 5, then 6 minus 5 is here 1. Like that, here t of I minus 1, that is 2 comma current cell weight is 6, 2 comma 6 is here 6, okay, 2 comma 6. So when you are applying this 2 comma 1, 2 comma 1 is here value 1, that's what written here. So 8 comma 6, you are getting the 8, so here maximum value is 8, right? Then next you are checking the column, this one maximum weight is 7, here the product's weight is 5, so it is also possible to select. Then apply the formula. Profit of the current item is 7, and value of I minus 1 is 2, then maximum weight of this column is 7 minus current products weight is 5, 7 minus 5 is 2, okay, so 2 comma 2, then here 3 minus 1 is 2, here I is here 3, okay, my comma 7 maximum weight, okay, that is 7, 2 t of 2 comma 7 is here 9, that's what written here. So here maximum of 8 comma 9 is 9, so that is written. So now table is constructed. So sequence of decisions we have got from this table. So you apply the bottom up approach. When you are applying the bottom up approach, you take the last column and last row, okay, last column and last row, then you move bottom to up, and also left to right, okay, left to right. So you select this last one. This is the maximum profit you earned when you are selecting this four number of items. So we are moving from bottom, so 9. So when you're selecting the 9, there is some criteria, right? So here some of the weight should be less than or equal to maximum capacity of the bag, that is one criteria. When you're applying that bottom up approach, here the actual item value is retrieved from the previous row. You look at that, this is the profit we got. This profit you have to check, this value is similar to the previous row value in the same column, okay, previous row in the same column. If it is similar, we should not select this current item, okay. Once again repeating, if the profit value in this cell similar to the previous row and current column. Okay, same column. If it is similar, we should not select this profit, I mean select this weight. Then what to do? You have to omit this and move to the previous row. So we cannot select this because it is similar to this one, so we cannot select this. Okay, we cannot select this, and we are moving to the previous row because bottom up approach, we are moving to the up. Okay, previous row. Now we are checking this 9 is similar to the previous row value. No, it is not similar, so we can select this item. So when you are selecting this item, you are earning 5 units of profit, and the weight of this item is 4. So 4 is less than, I mean 4 is the item value. Okay, the maximum weight of this capacity is 7, so it is possible to select. So this item is selected. After selecting this item, we have to move to the previous row. So how to move that? We have to check the this value, right? Maximum profit earned here is 9 in this cell, minus the current product selected here. Its profit is here, we have to select that profit is here 5. Okay, so current products profit is here 5, so we have to subtract that, then you will get 4, right? So now we have to check the previous row, where is that 4 units of profit available, so which is available here. Okay, so here that that 4 units to be selected now. So suppose if the 4 is available here, one more 4, then you have to select this one because we are moving from left to right. We are moving from left to right. Okay, so currently we are having the 4 at first row, uh, first row and third column. So now we are selecting that product and this value. So here when you are selecting this item, you are getting the profit is 4 and the weight is 3. So already you selected this product though, so that weight is here 4. Now we are adding this current product's weight plus 3, so now 7. Maximum capacity of this bag is also 7. Yes, it is possible to select, so this is also now selected. So after selecting, okay, after selecting, you have to subtract this profit value with its current profit value, current product's profit value. So 4 minus 4, you are getting 0. So then move up, right? In the move up the previous row, you have to select 0 value where it is available. It is available here, so it is selected now. So here 0 means this product is not selected. Okay, that means 0 means you are not selecting any product and you are earning the 0 units of profit. Okay, you are not selecting any weight, so you are earning 0 profit, so it is not selected. So now two items are selected, right? Two items are selected, and this is also not selected, this is also not selected. Okay, based upon that, first one is here we selected weight with 4, profit with 5, and the second one is here we have selected this one, weight with 3 and profit is 4. So finally we have got 9 units of profit and 7 units of weight. So this is how we have to solve the problem using the dynamic programming for knapsack. In this algorithm here, when I equal to 0 or weight is 0, that means if any item is not selected, then that values to be filled with 0. That's what we have done here. Okay, this entire column, right? And t of I minus 1 comma j, that means when the current product's weight is less than the here maximum weight, then we can select, we have to add this value, right? Otherwise we have to use this formula, that is profit of the current product plus here the previous rows, and here the maximum weight of that jth column. Okay, that means maximum weight of this column minus current product, whichever you are selecting here, current product's weight. Okay, for that we will decide either it is able to select or not. Okay, that is the thing. Here t of I minus 1, I is the row value, j is the column value. So based upon that only we have to calculate the uh, current cells value, that is t of I comma j. So time complexity is, here we have to check all the n number of items and all the possibilities, that is 2 power n. So here the time complexity will be 2 power n. Okay, so when you're comparing with the coefficient n, right, it will be smaller, so you can omit that coefficient. So 2 power n is the time complexity of this problem. Thanks for watching.